Big news, tech fans! Samsung's quantum dot TVs just got a major eco-win. Certified cadmium-free by SGS and compliant with strict EU safety standards, these TVs are as green as they're gorgeous. Want to know why this matters for your next TV? Let's dive into the future of display tech. Imagine a TV that delivers jaw-dropping 4K visuals and cares for the planet. Samsung's quantum dot technology just raised the bar by ditching toxic cadmium, earning a prestigious SGS certification. This isn't just about stunning picture quality, it's about a safer, sustainable future. Ready to see how Samsung did it? Let's break it down. First up, what's the big deal with cadmium? This toxic metal was once common in quantum dot TVs for vibrant colors, but is harmful to the environment. Samsung changed the game in 2014 by developing the world's first cadmium-free quantum dot material. Fast forward to 2025, and their QLED TVs are now verified by SGS to contain zero cadmium, making them safer for you and the planet. So, who's SGS? They're a global leader in testing and certification based in Switzerland, ensuring products meet the highest safety standards. Samsung's quantum dot sheets pass SGS's rigorous tests, proving they're free of cadmium and compliant with the EU's RoHS directive, which restricts hazardous substances. That means you can enjoy your TV worry-free, knowing it's eco-friendly and safe. But it's not just about being green. Samsung's QLEDs deliver unmatched visuals. Quantum dots create vibrant colors and epic contrast. Powered by over 150 patents, Samsung secured since 2001. From Neo QLED 4K to QD OLED, their TVs offer brighter highlights and deeper blacks without sacrificing sustainability. As Taeyong Sung from Samsung says, our TVs are built on safe technology that delivers unmatched picture quality. This is innovation you can see and feel good about. Samsung's quantum dot TVs are setting a new standard. Jaw-dropping visuals, eco-friendly tech, and SGS-backed safety. Certified cadmium-free and RoHS compliant, they're proof you don't have to choose between performance and sustainability. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or eco-warrior, these TVs are your ticket to guilt-free entertainment. Ready to upgrade to a safer, stunning TV? Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and tell us in the comments, are you Team QLED or QD OLED?